My name is Butka. I am a 12th grader, and this is Team 4851-3 Overheated. For a quick project overview, Bozo is a machine learning model that I'd like to have help people with limited to no use in their hands create customizable 3D models. There are three main parts to my code. The first part is the large language model that helps parse the user input and turn it into something that my other parts of the code can read. The second part of my code is a mesh maker, which I have set as a function that takes user input with height, depth, and a file name, and will turn it into vertices, then faces, then it will make it into an ASCII mesh file so that it can be downloaded onto your computer and opened in the 3D viewer. The third part of my code is a combined window and 3D mesh model viewer. I have combined these two using Tkinter and VTK widget. I have done a ton of research for this project and used a lot of references to help me get this far, as at the beginning of my project, I didn't know how Python worked at all. I didn't know about a terminal, how to use pip to install libraries. I didn't even know what a mechanical learning model was, but I've come this far to create a very decent concept of a learning model that can help people create customizable mesh files that they can view and then print. I went through multiple roadblocks with my computer especially, as Pi text-to-speech was not working, so I went to Google text-to-speech and learned how to use temporary file to create temporary MP3 files that can play and then delete from your operating system with Pi Audio and Pi Mixer. I also learned a little bit about Unicode, so that was interesting. I didn't even know that emojis had little codes behind them. I have not only learned that, but I've also learned what ASCII mesh files look like and how to write one using code and then download it as an STL file.